Overnight, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem joined immigration enforcement operations in New York. She posted on social media that they were carrying out President Trump's promise to the American people.
It's kind of interesting from a strategy perspective to be posting that you're doing these raids, right? So interesting to see there. The new administration has been ramping up efforts to arrest immigrants living in the U.S. illegally, and ICE says its agents arrested nearly 1,200 people just yesterday. These efforts are now sparking fears in Southern California. KCAL News reporter Rick Montanez joins us live from Riverside with how advocacy groups are supporting people who fear they may be targeted here. Good morning, Rick.
Yeah, Jamie, Rudabeh, good morning. You know, advocates say they know that this is likely to come here to Southern California, so they're preparing the undocumented community with ways to handle interactions with ICE agents, teaching them how to recognize specific documents like warrants and deportation orders. Also, there's events like this in this video here, rallies that they're holding as well to show the community that there is support for them. This one is here in Riverside, held by the Inland Coalition for Immigrant Justice. This was on Inauguration Day. They are designed to show people living in the Inland Empire that people are here to help. Local advocacy groups even have hotlines set up so anyone who suspects ICE actions can report it, and then volunteers will work to confirm that information. The executive director of TODEC says it's important for people to know their rights.
It's important that community knows that there's constitutional rights that we all have, regardless of immigration status. So it's important. We have the right to remain silent. We have the right not to sign anything if we choose not to. And we have the right to see a judge. And we have a right to call an attorney.
The Trump administration began flying out detained undocumented immigrants in military cargo planes. Images like this that you've likely seen from Texas and Arizona also raise the questions of how these raids will play out in California, a sanctuary state. This means state and many local law enforcement agencies do not carry out immigration enforcement. Attorney General Rob Bonta responded to that question.
There are entities, agencies, departments in the federal government whose job is to enforce immigration laws. They are certainly well within their rights to lawfully do that and may do that. But what they cannot do is conscript or commandeer or force California and local jurisdictions within California to do their job for them.
While there is a lot that remains unseen, advocates say that they do expect raids to happen here in Southern California, and for that reason, they want a lot of families to prepare for that event in case, say, for example, one parent or both parents end up detained, that they come up with a plan beforehand for who will take care of their children so that the children can end up with family members rather than in foster care. There's a lot to it, and these advocacy groups are trying to help people get prepared. Reporting live in Riverside, Rick Montanez, KCAL News.